Most retirement advice is a lie if you're starting in your 30s or 40s. If you have zero in the bank, the save 10% of your paycheck strategy is a trap. It's mathematically impossible to catch up using pennies. You don't need a savings plan. You need an aggressive compounding engine. I've spent years analyzing the math behind the FIRE movement and late start trajectories. The secret isn't which index fund you pick, it's the velocity of the capital you feed into it. Today, I'm giving you the $0 blueprint. No fluff. No stop buying lattes cliches. Just a realistic, aggressive roadmap to go from zero to financial independence using side hustle compounding. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to bypass the 401k slog and build a wealth machine that works 10x faster than a traditional portfolio. Let's get to work. Most gurus tell you to just start saving 10% of your income. Sounds great if you're 22, but you're not 22. You're in your 30s, maybe your 40s, and your bank account, it's looking pretty lean. Here is the cold, hard truth. The traditional 401k path is a mathematical trap for late starters. If you have zero saved right now, playing it safe is actually the riskiest move you can make. Think about it. If you save a few $100s a month in an index fund now, you might be comfortable by 67. But do you really want to spend the next 25 years trading your soul for a paycheck just to retire when you're too old to enjoy it? That's not retirement. That's a life sentence. The math simply doesn't add up anymore. Inflation is eating your purchasing power. The housing market is a nightmare. And that safe 7% return, it's too slow. You feel it, don't you? That sinking feeling that you've missed the window, that you're too far behind to ever actually stop working. Most people just accept it. They settle for the grind. But you're watching this because you know there's a faster way. Here is the cold, hard truth. If you're 40 years old with zero in the bank, a 401k is a band-aid on a bullet wound. Traditional advice tells you to save 10% of your salary and wait 25 years. But you don't have 25 years. You have a gap. A massive, terrifying gap between where you are and where you need to be. To close that gap, we have to stop focusing on saving and start focusing on aggressive compounding. This is the Zero Start Blueprint. Step 1, the income engine. Most people try to save their way to wealth. That's a loser's game. You cannot shrink your way to millions. You need a secondary income stream that isn't tied to your hourly wage. I'm talking about high-leverage side hustles, service-based businesses, digital products, or specialized consulting. Why? Because your 9 to 5 pays your bills. Your side hustle buys your freedom. Your goal isn't an extra $100 a month. Your goal is an extra $2,000. Step 2, the aggressive allocation. This is where most people fail. They make extra money and they upgrade their lifestyle. New car, bigger apartment, better clothes. Stop. In the Zero Start Blueprint, your lifestyle stays frozen. Every single cent from your side hustle goes into the engine. If you make $2,000 extra, you invest $2,000. Not $200. Not $500. All of it. This is how you compress 20 years of saving into 5. Step 3, the vehicle. Now, where does that money go? You don't put this in a standard savings account. Inflation will eat it alive. You need a brokerage platform that automates your growth. We focus on low-cost S and P 500 index funds. Why? Because they are the most reliable wealth-building machines in history. But here is the secret sauce, the hybrid approach. While 80% goes into the boring index funds for stability, 20% goes into high-growth assets or scaling your own business. This creates a barbell effect. You have the safety of the market and the explosive potential of an active asset. This is how you catch up. You aren't playing the slow and steady game anymore. You are playing the aggressive and intentional game. You stop being a victim of your start date and start becoming the architect of your exit date. Now, to execute this blueprint, you need the right infrastructure. You can't grow wealth in a 0% savings account. That's why I recommend starting with a high-yield savings account for your initial buffer. It keeps your cash liquid while actually paying you to hold it. Once your side hustle cash hits that account, move the surplus into a low-cost brokerage. This is where the aggressive compounding happens. If you do this, hit the side hustles hard and automate the transfers, you aren't just catching up. You're bypassing 20 years of slow growth. You move from financial panic to total independence. I've linked the exact HYSA, brokerage platforms, and side hustle tools I use in the description below. If this blueprint shifted your perspective, hit the like button and subscribe. Stop waiting for a 401k to save you. Start building your own exit strategy right now.